Okay, so I'm here with Gliffy, which is one of the little add-ons for Google Docs, and it's got some really cool features and, well, glyphs that allow students to make some cool charts without spending a lot of time and effort. So the ones I really like are these swim lanes. I'm just gonna drag one off here because they make it so easy to make compare and contrast charts, characterization charts, which I feel like are so useful for an English student. So I'm just gonna, this is really easy to use. You're just gonna click the lanes, type things in, like, that's the line about Bob, and then you can just list his characteristics underneath. So it makes it super easy to do stuff like that, whereas if you just tried to format this all in Google Docs manually, it would take forever. Another thing Gliffy allows you to do is to make some really cool flow charts, which I also think are helpful in graphing the progression of characters and graphing the projection of plots. Progression, I can speak English, okay. So you can use really cool blurbs like this. Like in Google Docs, you can also change the text, the font. Say I want it to be Helectiva, I want it to be 24, no, too big, 20-point font. I want to change the color to maroon. I can do that. You can drag off these arrows, or something I think is really cool, so you can use the connector tool, which just allows you to draw whatever line you need to connect objects. And that way you can make really cool flowcharts. So I'm going to delete this real quick just so I can show one more aspect of this that I think is really neat. This is probably something I'd use more as a teacher, this next part, just because I think it would help me create some really engaging presentations. The students could use it as well, but I just thought it was a cool idea for me. So I'm going to drag off this little off button. I'm going to click it. I'm going to click this layers button. And that sets that as layer 1. I'm going to lock it so that I can't move it around. Then I'm going to drag this off, the on button. Move it down on top of that one. Oh wait, I forgot to add the layer. Sorry, I'm going to add the layer first. Next layer. Then I'm going to drag the on button. Make it the same size as the off. There we go. Gonna lock that layer into place. So now both of them can't move. But the difference is that I can make them visible or invisible, which means I can do a cool on-off trick. It's like very simple animation. So there you go.